Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, the messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. So let me tap on this searching bar, kind of. And here we've got our keyboard. So let's tap on this settings icon in this upper bar and tap on the languages. As you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So of course you can scroll or you can tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. Right here we've got keyboard types, and the amount of the keyboard types depends on a specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different keyboard layouts. So all you have to do is to mark the layout you'd like to use. I'll choose this one and untick the previous option. And let's tap on Done. As you can see, my language has been immediately applied to the list. Before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let's go back to the keyboard. And basically we've got two differences. The first one is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. And the second one is the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So as you can see, after tapping on it, we can easily switch between the layouts. Alright, so in order to remove the language from the list and from the keyboard, we have to enter the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon. So let's tap on it and mark the language you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, and from now on English or of course any other language of your choice, and from now on you will be able to type in this specific language. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.